Hello students, today topic is African continent. Physical features of the African continent and physical features of the North American continent. The African continent is the second biggest continent. The African continent is the second biggest continent in the world after Asian continent. It is also called dark continent, plateaus locked plateaus continent, dark continent, plateaus locked plateau continent, plateaus locked plateau continent. The boundaries of the African continent. The northern side of the African continent, Mediterranean Sea. Southern side of the African continent, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Northeastern side of the African continent, Red Sea. Northwestern side of the African continent, Gibraltar Strait. Southeastern side, Indian Ocean. Southwestern side and western side, Atlantic Ocean are the boundaries. This continent is located in four hemispheres. One is northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. As per latitudes, the whole earth is classified into two hemispheres. One is northern hemisphere, the second one is southern hemisphere. Likewise, as per longitudes, the whole earth is also classified into two hemispheres. One is eastern hemisphere, the second one is western hemisphere. As per latitudes, the whole earth is classified into two hemispheres. One is northern hemisphere, the second one is southern hemisphere. As per latitudes, the whole earth is classified into two hemispheres. One is northern hemisphere, the second one is southern hemisphere. Likewise, as per longitudes, the whole earth is also classified into two hemispheres. One is eastern hemisphere, the second one is western hemisphere. The total latitudes are 181. As per latitude, temperature will calculate. The total longitudes are 360. As per longitudes, time will measure. So the African continent distributes in four hemispheres: northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. Boundaries are northern side, Mediterranean Sea, southern side, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Northeastern side, Red Sea. Northwestern side, Gibraltar Strait. Southeastern side, Indian Ocean. Southwestern and western side, Atlantic Ocean are the boundaries. The northern part of the African continent, the Tropic of the Cancer passes. The northern part of the African continent, the Tropic of the Cancer passes. The southern part of the African continent, the Tropic of the Capricorn passes. The equator passes through middle part of the African continent. Tropic of the Cancer passes through Sahara Desert in the northern part of the Africa. The Tropic of the Capricorn passes through Kalahari Desert in the southern part of the Africa. The equator passes through middle part of the African continent. It is the second continent area-wise. It is also called Plateau's locked Plateau's continent. Important rivers of the African continent. Important rivers of the African continent. Important rivers of the African continent. One is Nile River, Nile River, Niger River, Nile, Niger, Congo, Zambezi River, Limpopo, Orange River. Nile River, Niger River, Congo River or Jeri River, Zambezi, Limpopo, Orange. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. It rises from the Victorian Lake of Eastern Africa. It rises from the Victorian Lake of Eastern Africa. It flows through Uganda. It flows through Uganda, South Sudan, North Sudan, and Egypt. It outflows into the Mediterranean Sea at Alexandria in Egypt. The Victorian Lake is surrounded by the three countries. One is Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania. The Nile is the longest river. The Nile River is called exotic river. Why this is called exotic river? Because it passes through Sahara Desert. This one is also called international river. Why this is also called international river? If any river passes more than one country, then it is called international river. It passes through Uganda country, South Sudan, North Sudan, and Egypt. It is the longest river in the world. The main tributaries of the Nile River. The main tributaries of the Nile River are Blue Nile, White Nile, Atbara. Blue Nile, White Nile, Atbara. These are the main tributaries of Nile. Blue Nile, White Nile, Atbara. It is the longest river in the world. It rises from the Victorian Lake, flows through Victoria, South Sudan, Victoria, Uganda, South Sudan, North Sudan, Egypt, and outflows into the Mediterranean Sea at Alexandria in Egypt. It is the longest river in the world. The main tributaries of Nile, Blue Nile, White Nile, Atbara. And Niger River. The Niger River rises Guinea. The Niger River rises Guinea country of Western Africa. It rises Guinea country of Western Africa. It flows through Guinea, Mali. It flows through Guinea, Mali, Niger, Nigeria. Outflows into the Atlantic Ocean. It rises in western part of African continent, particularly in Guinea country. It flows through Guinea, Mali, Niger, Nigeria. Outflows into the Atlantic Ocean. And third one is Congo River or Jeri River. Congo River or Jeri River. Congo or Jeri. It rises middle part of the African continent, particularly Congo Republican country. It flows through Congo Republican country and Congo country. Ultimately, it outflows into the Atlantic Ocean. Equator cuts two times by this river. The tribes around the Congo River are called pygmies. Equator cuts 2 times by the Congo River. The tribes around the Congo River or Jerry River called pygmies. The tribes around the Congo River or Jerry River called pygmies. Nile River, Niger River, Congo or Jerry River. Next, Zambezi River. It rises in Zambia country, flows through Zambia towards southeastern side, and it outflows into the Indian Ocean. Victoria waterfall is on the Zambezi River. Victoria waterfall is on the Zambezi River. Victoria waterfall is located on the Zambezi River. Victoria waterfall is located on the Zambezi River. Important rivers are Nile River, Niger, Congo or Zaire, Zambezi. Limpopo River rises in South Africa. Limpopo River rises in South Africa, flows towards southeastern side of African continent, outflows into the Indian Ocean. It rises in South Africa, flows towards southeastern side, outflows into the Indian Ocean. Main rivers are Nile River, Niger, Congo or Zaire, Zambezi, Limpopo. Sixth one is Orange River. The Orange River rises in Lesotho country. It flows towards southwestern side. It rises in Lesotho country, flows towards southwestern side. Outflows into the Atlantic Ocean. Niger outflows into the Atlantic Ocean. Congo outflows into the Atlantic Ocean. Orange outflows into the Atlantic Ocean. Zambezi, Limpopo, these two rivers outflow into the Indian Ocean. Nile River outflows into the Mediterranean Sea at Alexandria. These are the main rivers which distribute in African. These are the main rivers which distribute in the African continent. Important lakes of the African continent. 5 important freshwater lakes distribute in the eastern part of the African continent. One is Victoria, Nyasa, Tanganyika, Nyasa, Tanganyika, Rudolph, Albert. These are the main rivers. Important mountains of the African continent. In African continent, Atlas Mountains. The Atlas Mountains are the youngest folded mountains in African continent. The Atlas Mountains are located northwestern part of the African continent. The Atlas Mountains are the youngest folded mountains in African continent. These are located northwestern part of the African continent. And Drakensberg Mountains. Drakensberg Mountains are the block mountains. Fold mountains formed due to the compressional forces or convergent forces. Block mountains formed due to the divergent forces. Block mountains form due to the divergent forces. The block mountains are located in South Africa. Particularly in block mountains, we can see two types of topographical landforms. One is rift valleys or graben valleys or syncline structures. The second one is anticline structures, horst mountains. Best examples of rift valleys, graben valleys, Nile River in African continent, Narmada Tapati rivers in India, Rhine River in Europe, Red Sea, which is located between Asia and African continent. These are all distributed in the rift valleys. Horst mountains, Black Forest mountains in Germany, Jura mountains, Vosges mountains in France, Jura mountains, Vosges mountains in France. These two types of topographical landforms are being developed in the block mountains. Block mountains form due to the divergent forces, while folded mountains or fold mountains form due to the convergent or compressional forces. Convergent or compressional forces. The African continent is also called plateaus, locked plateaus continent. Middle part of the African continent, eastern part of the African continent, southern part of the African continent, height is more when compared with the western part of the African continent and northern part of the African continent. The highest mount peak in the African continent is Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is the extinct volcano which is located in Tanzania country. Extinct volcano. As per eruption, the volcanoes are mainly classified into three types. One is active volcanoes, the second one is dormant volcanoes, the third one is extinct volcanoes. Frequently erupted volcanoes are called active volcanoes. Already erupted in the early stage, but any time will be ready to eruption in future, but particular time will not be mentioned. That type of volcanoes are called dormant. Already erupted in the early stage, but no more eruption in future. That type of volcanoes are called extinct volcano. Kilimanjaro is the extinct volcano, and also it is the highest peak in African continent, which is located in Tanzania. Which is located in Tanzania. Tanzania country of African continent. The northern side of the African continent, western side of the African continent, coastal plains distribute. Northern plains are called Nile River plains. Western plains are called Niger River plains. Niger River plains distribute western African continent. Nile River plains distribute northern part of the African continent. Important climatic zones of the African continent. How many climatic zones distribute? How many climatic zones distribute in the African continent? One is equatorial climatic zone. The second one is tropical deserts climatic zone. Equatorial climatic zone, tropical deserts climatic zone, tropical grasslands climatic zone, temperate grasslands climatic zone, Mediterranean climatic zone, China climatic zone. equatorial climatic zone. Where is the equatorial climatic zone in African continent? Where is the equatorial climatic zone in African continent? The equatorial climatic zone is located around the Congo River or Jeri River, particularly around the Congo River or Jeri River. And where is the tropical deserts climatic zone? Tropical deserts climatic zone located northern part of the African continent and southern part of the African continent. Northern part of the African continent, southern part of the African continent, tropical deserts climatic zone is located, particularly northern part where Sahara Desert is located, while in the southern part where Kalahari Desert is located. Tropical deserts climatic zone. And tropical grasslands climatic. Where is the tropical grasslands climatic zone? Tropical grasslands climatic zone is located Sudan countries of African continent. And where is the temperate grasslands climatic zone? Temperate grasslands climatic zone is located southern part of the South African, particularly at Transvaal and Orange Free State. Transvaal, Orange Free State of South Africa. Mediterranean climatic zone. Where is the Mediterranean climatic zone? The Mediterranean climatic zone is located. The Mediterranean climatic zone is located the northern parts of the Morocco, Algeria, the northern parts of the Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, and so forth countries. These are all countries. These are all northern parts of these countries connected a border with the Mediterranean Sea. And Cape Town area also belongs to the Mediterranean climatic zone. And China climatic zone is also located. China climatic zone is located Natal coast of the South Africa. Natal coast of the South Africa. One is equatorial climatic zone. The second one is tropical deserts climatic zone. The third one is tropical grasslands climatic zone. Fourth one is temperate grasslands climatic zone. Fifth one is Mediterranean climatic zone. And sixth one is China climatic zone. So, climate of the African continent. The African continent consists of two types of climatic conditions. It has two types of climatic conditions because the northern part of the African continent located in the northern hemisphere, while the southern part of the African continent is located in the southern hemisphere. From May to October, the period from May to October, in the northern part of the African continent, from May to October in the northern part of the African continent, summer season, while the southern part of the African continent, winter season. While in the southern part of the African continent, winter season, because it is in the southern hemisphere. From November to April, the northern part of the African continent is winter season, while the southern part of the African continent, from November to April, summer season, because it is in the southern hemisphere. It has two types of climatic conditions because as per latitudes, it is located both hemispheres, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. That is why it has two types of climatic conditions. Important countries of the African continent. It has 55 countries. The African continent has 55 countries. One is Western Sahara, Cape Verde, Sao Tome, Western Sahara, Cape Verde, Sao Tome, Malawi, Malawi, Madagascar, Mauritius, Seychelles, Comoros, Mauritius, Seychelles, Comoros, Lesotho, Swaziland, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Gambia, Senegal, Benin, Togo, Ghana, Ivory Coast, Central Africa, Cameroon, Nigeria, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea. Central Africa, Cameroon, Nigeria, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea. Namibia, Botswana, Angola, Congo Republican country, Congo country. Namibia, Botswana, Angola, Congo Republican country, Congo country. Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt. Somalia, Kenya, Ethiopia, Djibouti, Eritrea, Tanzania, Mozambique, South Africa, Guinea, Mali, Tanzania, Mozambique, South Africa, Mali, Mauritania, Burkina Faso, Niger, Chad, South Sudan, North Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Zambia, Zimbabwe. These are the 55 countries. These are the 55 countries which are located in the African continent. Physiographic features, climate, climatic zones, important countries, mountains, rivers, and important lakes. The Gibraltar state, which is located in the northwestern part of the African continent, the Gibraltar state, which is located in the northwestern part of the African continent, connects the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. It separates African continent and European continent. It separates African continent and European continent, which is also called the key of the Mediterranean Sea. It lies Spain in European continent and Morocco in African continent. The Suez Canal is located in between Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Suez Canal connects the Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. It is a brief explanation about the physical features. It's a brief explanation about the physical features or physiographic features, boundaries, and so forth of the African continent. Now we are going to North American continent. As per area, the North American continent is the third biggest continent in the world. The North American continent is the third biggest continent in the world. The boundaries of the North American continent. The northern side of the North America The northern side of the North American continent, Arctic Ocean. Southern side, Panama Canal. Southern side, Panama Canal, Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea is the part of the Atlantic Ocean. The Panama Canal separates the North American continent and South American continent. The Panama Canal separates the North American continent and South American continent, and it connects the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, the main boundaries of the North American continent. As for area, it is the third biggest continent in the world. The boundaries of the North American continent, the northern side of the North American continent, Arctic Ocean, southern side, Panama Canal, Caribbean Sea, eastern side is Atlantic Ocean, whereas in the western side, Pacific Ocean. These are the main boundaries which are located around the North American continent. Area-wise, it is the third biggest continent. 5 important freshwater lakes. The world famous 5 important freshwater lakes are located, distribute in between Canada and United States of America. Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, Ontario. Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. These are the 5 finger shaped lakes. Which distribute between Canada and United States of America, which are also called fjords or fjords. Fjords or fjords are nothing but the landforms which are developed, the erosional landforms which are developed by the glaciers are called fjords or fjords. Important rivers of the North American continent. One is St. Lawrence River. Important rivers of the North American continent. St. Lawrence River, Mackenzie River, Yukon River, Mississippi River, Missouri River, Colorado River. St. Lawrence River, Mackenzie River, Yukon River, St. Lawrence, Mackenzie, Yukon, Mississippi, Missouri, Colorado. These are the familiar important rivers which are located or which distribute in the North American continent. The St. Lawrence River, the birthplace of the St. Lawrence River. It rises from the Ontario